This happens when Halloween goes bad.
Bro! Sean, send me this, bro, please.
Bro, stop.
Kids, are you scared of these guys? Ooh, he's gonna kill. Look at him.
You guys must be high school kids.
Man, you look scary.
They're high school kids.
How do you guys not talk?
She,
I talk all the time.
this is like a movie.
Bro.
Her head. Let's see if her head is spinning around in circles.
What if it did? I'd be gone.
She's gonna be the black girl that falls down. The movie gets killed first.
Bro. Bro.
Don't.
Stop it!
My mom can't record no more.
Hey! Stop!
Rob, get out
Leave me alone!
I can't. I don't have my phone.
You're so scared.
No!
They're just horses.
This is not cool.
I'm sorry. This is
Don't
too
think I
funny.
can take it, I know it.
I missed. I didn't get to run.
Come on, you know you want to do it. Just get it. Scare me already. Good. Not you.
Oh my god.
You can go. You can go. Like that way, you know? Over there. Okay, buddy.
Sad thing is she's never been so scared in her life.
Stop.
Kenzie, what's that behind you? Whoa, Kenzie, Kenzie, don't walk backwards.
No, behind you.
There's no one behind me.
You don't see that little thing behind you coming out the ground?
No, I did not. And I'm not taking my eyes off that guy. I know he's gonna scare me.
Who? Which guy? We don't even see nobody.
Bro, stop.
Which guy? I don't even see nobody.
Not a ghost. He's right there.
Who?
Right there.
I don't even.
Take a video of.
I don't see nobody, man. Nobody sees anything. We don't see anything around here. We don't see anything.
Hey, please chase her.
Yeah, chase her right. Yeah, chase her right now. Yeah.
Chase her, please.
Yeah.
Get caught. You're gonna come out nowhere. Oh,
Run.
no, no. Bro,
We'll
no.
be in Chase Halloween. Get the big girl. Get her. That's absolutely scare big women. Please, yes. That's absolutely scary. Yes. Hey, make her run.
Oh, this is the most hilarious thing
Make
ever.
her run.
This is
Put
most.
it on YouTube.
Yeah. Should we put it on YouTube, Nene?
Yeah.
We can YouTube?
Yeah.